talk about multi-factor authentication in Azure Active Directory. So if we go to Azure Active Directory here and look our members, users, and if we click on multi-factor authentication, new window will open, and now we have our user. So if I'm going to, you can bulk update, but I'm going to take it one by one. If I enable it in this user. Before I enable it, let's log into this user account. So if I take his email address, I'll try to take it from here. Okay, and I open new page, anonymous page, and I say portal.azure.com, and here I use the new user. I will give him a new password. No, it's the same password. It was admin user no, it was Azure user 123 and sign in. Yeah, no, it was Azure user 123. No, again, try one last time. Azure user 123 and no. So obviously I forgot the password here. Then before I go to multi-factor authentication, sorry for this, but I need to reset password. And here reset password and password resetted. So that's my new password. Okay, I copy the password, put it in a text edit, temporary text edit for now. Say new document. That's my password, and that's my dear username here. And now go back to the anonymous page and try to use the new password that I just removed from the memory. And here is the user password. And now I'm required to create a new password. I will Azure user 123 question mark. Repeat Azure user 123 question mark and capital Azure user here. Oh no, Azure, this is embarrassing, I'm sorry. Azure user 123 question mark. Azure user 123 question mark. Now it works. Now I sign into my user. And next, here I logged into my signing to my Azure portal. Now keep your account secure. This is something we will do later. So next, no. Okay, so obviously I didn't enable yet multi-factor authentication, but perhaps this is something need to be done by default for every user. So if I go here and select this user, and this user have multi-factor authentication not enabled, and now Microsoft require me to enable this user multi-factor authentication. Trying to escape this by clicking portal.azure.com and try to sign in. Escape now for 14 days. So what do you want to escape here? Help us to protect your account. I'll escape it now. So guys, I've done that previously, and multi-factor authentication, that's something was you should do it from the admin, like enable it for every user. User was not able to do it. Now I see the change here, and seems like Microsoft require user to do multi-factor authentication by default. Now, however, I'm still here suffering. Use a different account. No, I will just escape. I will say no, and now I am finally here, and that's the user Microsoft account. What in Active Directory, that's my test user 1, test 1. Okay, now let's assume you're not your user are not forced to enable multi-factor authentication, but you want to increase the security and you want to do it manually. So you go to the user here and say enable multi-factor authentication. And now if you click on the user again, you'll see it enabled. You can disable it or enforce it or manage user setting. But for now, let's go back to the user and try to sign in again and say sign out, portal Azure, sign in. This is our user and the password was Azure user123 and good. Now when I click next, now the user don't have any choice. He must do this. And there is different way of authentication, either by phone, but this is the app now. This is the app that you can authentication. On your phone, install this. So if we click here, okay. So here it giving me, maybe because I'm free trailer, only the option to install the app. If I click back, and if I go to the portal again, azure.com, sign in, next. Now only the app. Now there is different way, honestly, to authenticate yourself, either by the app or by the SMS to your phone, or by a phone call to your. That's what I remember. Perhaps maybe when you have better subscription than the free trailer, you will have this option. This is the authenticator. I'll try to show my screen. I'm not sure if I can do that. So if I go to again QuickTime, let's say, and I say file a new movie recording. Yes. Okay, now you can see me. Have to smile. And now I don't see my phone. Is my phone connected? That's my phone. So I'm going to connect it one more time and see here trust. And when I click on trust, I need to enter my code. This is now here, and now I choose to scan QR. However, I'm going to close this for now. I will try to open it one more time, and now I should have option here. I don't see this option. I'll click on QuickTime again and say screen recording. I'm already recording my screen. Movie recording. Movie recording, let's do it like this for now. And here I will click on scan QR and say OK and say OK. Now I'm going to scan the QR, not my photo again. Interesting. Your account provider. How to switch the camera now? Okay, if I go to my Microsoft again and say next and set up your account. So I will go and say add account. It's a work or school account, and now asking me to enter code manually. Set up your promoted and then next. And okay, what happened now? I have the code now, the QR. So now I'm scanning this by my phone, and when I scan it, I got this allow here. So I scan it, and now I have my account here. And now I got the code here. I need to enter this code in my page here. So if I click next, and I need to enter approve signing in. I need to approve it directly, so I didn't need to enter the code. And here, well done, Microsoft successfully. Okay, I will not keep me signed in for now. Now I need to do this verification first time I sign in from a new device. Okay, that's the multi-factor authentication in Azure. We go back here and refresh the page. And check the user, and now we see no more enforced, and that means that multi-factor authentication is already enforced. And this is also something new, because before you will see like directly the message saying enforced, but yeah, maybe they're trying to remove unnecessary description. Okay, thank you.